Skytrax has solved a very, very long-standing, perplexing problem, and that problem is how to determine the position or location of objects, especially movable objects, inside buildings. And our first application of this technology will be on utility vehicles, such as forklift trucks, to track them inside factories and warehouses. And this will allow a multitude of safety and operational efficiency improvements. The solution we have named Indoor Positioning System. It's a takeoff from Global Positioning System, which many people are familiar with. Our system works indoors and gives accuracy even better than global positioning systems. The optical sensor is perhaps the most important. This is mounted on board a movable vehicle, and it looks upward and takes pictures. The second component are the optical markers, the position markers. Each one maps its position corresponding to the floor below it. The third is telemetry. We need to send that data in a mobile fashion back to a server, a computer in a back room somewhere. And then the fourth, of course, is that data collection server that collects all of the position data from all of the vehicles in the facility. And those four elements comprise the IPS system.
The software that comes with IPS out of the box today is a package we call Vehicle Tracking and Management System. It provides both real-time visibility in the form of a user display that shows you where all your assets are in your facility all the time. With IPS, you'll have the visibility and the historical data now to identify exactly what's the right size of your fleet, and you can eliminate capital assets you don't need. And of course, reducing capital assets means you're also reducing drivers and maintenance and all the other operational costs that come along with that. Customers should expect to get 5 to 20% improvement in productivity with IPS installation. At even a 5% productivity improvement, an IPS system will pay for itself in almost all cases in 12 months or less.
You see, IPS can also be used as the sensing means for a navigation system, a full navigation system, which would include steering controls, motion forward and backward, velocity control, and the like. That's not our part of the technology world, but we can provide the sensing means. And so we see a really good future in autonomous vehicles using IPS as the basis for navigation.